Okay, I have everything buttoned back up with the Edelbrock 1406 carburetor, 600 CFM, after several dumb mistakes I made. So I've got new spark plugs in it now, and it's up to about maybe 175 degrees. So it's warmed up, not completely, but close. And haven't put the electronic ignition in yet, and haven't changed the oil yet. I'll do that later today or tomorrow maybe. Let's try to start it without doing anything but doing the key. Let's see, here we go. There it is, just reaching in and starting it. Idling pretty nice. Could be slight maybe improvement once I do the electronic ignition. Not sure how long the points have been in, and probably forever. But not bad finally. So within no adjustments to the carburetor. So that's my 72 Continental Mark IV.